Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Tableau dashboards with revenue funnel metrics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Tableau and load your existing dashboard that contains revenue funnel metrics. Identify the specific revenue funnel metrics you want to update. Gather the most recent data from your source, ensuring it aligns with your existing metrics. If needed, clean and pre-process the data to maintain consistency and accuracy. Now, navigate to the Data Source tab in Tableau. Refresh the data connection to ensure you're working with the most current information. Check for any new fields or metrics in your updated data that could enhance your dashboard. Drag the new fields into the appropriate areas on your dashboard. For each funnel stage, verify if the calculations reflect the latest data. Adjust the color schemes and formatting to maintain visual consistency. Add tooltips that provide additional context for your funnel metrics. If you have filters applied, ensure they are functioning correctly with the new data. Preview the dashboard to see how the updates look in action. Make any necessary adjustments to the layout for improved clarity. Once satisfied with the updates, save your changes to the dashboard. Finally, publish the updated dashboard to your Tableau server or Tableau online. Review the published dashboard to ensure everything appears as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.